got the hiccups, Peanut?
Hey, Mama. You ready to go see her?
Hold on. Marie?